Welcome back to Ambitalk, presented by Ambigramy, the voice of bold minds and real stories. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an inspiring episode. September is a life insurance awareness month, and today we are exploring a topic that's often misunderstood but deeply important for every family: life insurance. It's not about death, it's about life, love, and protecting the people who depend on us. To help us unpack the myths, the benefits, and the first steps toward financial security, we are joined by financial professional Himanshu Patel. Welcome, Himanshu.
Hello, Parth. Thank you for having me here.
It's our pleasure. So, Himanshu, tell us something about yourself.
So, about myself, I'm coming from one small village near Baroda. My parents, they are a farmer. And after finishing my master degree in mechanical engineering, I got opportunity to come to United States, the land of the opportunity.
Yes.
So, since then, I've been working in a mechanical engineering field.
Okay.
I have a family, my wife, her name is Avisha, have two young kids, Om and Sia.
Wonderful.
This.
Right. So, how did you come into this field of licensed financial professional?
That's the story about it. But
We would love to know that.
story itself, so please. Early COVID time, we lost my father-in-law due to COVID. He used to stay with us since I came in this country. It was a big blow to our family. At that time, my daughter was 14 months old, my son was 6 years old, and we did not have any life insurance. And we realized that's urgent need.
Right.
I reached out to someone. He's my mentor right now in this industry. Instead of selling me a life insurance, look, I was a ready-made client for you.
Yes, of course.
But instead of selling me, he had asked me a couple of questions, and those questions had brought me in this industry.
It's okay.
What he asked me was, he said, Himanshu, you're very young. You're going to make a lot of money in your life. I said, yes, that's why I'm here for. He said, but do you think only making money is enough? Isn't it equally important that you need to grow that money?
Right.
You need to keep that money safe. You need to save some taxes out of that. I said, yes, everything is very important. Then he gave me three options. Option number one was, I can ignore him.
Yes. Yes.
Option number two, to do all the financial planning, I can be dependent on somebody else throughout my whole life.
Right.
But there was one possibility, I may not do any planning. I will not put that in a priority. And option number three was, I can learn about this industry. I can learn about all the products, get my own license, become my own financial planner. And if I like it, I can help other people.
Thanks.
Luckily, I chose option number three, and that has changed my life, and I end up in this industry.
Wow. Wow. That's a hell of a story, I must say. Tell us something about your services. What services do you cater to your clients?
Absolutely. So we are like a one-stop shop for all the kind of financial planning. In that, we cover protections, protection of health, protection of life, protection of wealth, protection of income stream,
Okay.
investment strategies,
Okay.
tax saving strategies. If someone has a young kids, we help them with the kids education planning,
Yes.
retirement planning. We have to spend almost 25 to 30 years of our life in a retirement. It's very, very important. We do proper planning for that. And last one, estate planning.
Yes.
We help families with the will and trust.
Yes.
And there are some other services on a healthcare side where we help families in Medicare and health insurances.
So, Himanshu, being a Patel, you must know Gujarati.
Oh, yes.
And there must be so many clients that would speak Gujarati language.
Yes.
So, એમના વતી મારે એક તમને પ્રશ્ન પૂછવો છે કે આજે ના મને કે યંગ લોકોને તો હજી ક્યાંકનું ક્યાંક કશે વાંચી લેતા હોય છે, પણ જે એલ્ડરલી લોકો છે એ લોકોને ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનિંગ વિશે નથી ખબર, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ વિશે નથી ખબર. જેમ તમે કીધું તમારો પર્સનલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ એવો છે, તો આપણી જે કમ્યુનિટી છે એને આપણે કેવી રીતે સમજી શકીએ કે આ કરવું જોઈએ, શું કામ કરવું જોઈએ?
બહુ સરસ ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો તમે.
થેન્ક યુ.
તમારા ક્વેશ્ચનની સામે મને ક્વેશ્ચન કરવો છે.
પૂછો.
તમે હાઉસ ઓન કરો છો?
યસ.
When you buy the house, did you get the insurance for that?
યસ.
તમે કાર ઓન કરો છો?
યસ.
When you get a car, did you get insurance for that?
યસ.
I'm sure કે તમે સારા લેપટોપ, સારા ફોન્સ યુઝ કરતા હશો. Do you have the insurance for that?
યસ.
Why do we do that?
To keep it safe, maybe.
Keep it safe. Very good. Now, let me ask you one more question.
યસ.
Let's say હું તમે એક સરસ મશીન આપું છું.
ઓકે.
એ મશીન એવું મેજિક મશીન છે, એ તમારા માટે, તમારા ફેમિલી માટે let's say વર્ષે $200,000 પ્રિન્ટ કરે છે. Would you like to have that machine?
Please give it to me right now. I want it right now.
Let's say એવું મશીન તમને મળી ગયું અને એ મશીન માટે એક ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કે પ્રોટેક્શન અવેલેબલ છે.
ઓકે. તો હું સૌથી પહેલા લઈશ.
સૌથી પહેલા લઈ લેશો?
યસ.
વેરી ગુડ. સો પાર્થ, અહીંયા આપણી પાસે એક ગુડ ન્યૂઝ છે, એક બેડ ન્યૂઝ છે.
ઓકે.
એક ગુડ ન્યૂઝ એવું છે, યુ આર ધ મશીન ફોર યોર ફેમિલી.
રાઈટ.
આઈ એમ ધ મશીન ફોર માય ફેમિલી.
રાઈટ.
બેડ ન્યૂઝ ઇઝ આ મશીન ખરાબ થઈ શકે છે. So it is very, very important that we protect this machine. Protecting this machine means protecting our loved ones.
યસ.
So that's why insurance is very, 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 very important. Unfortunately, life insurance mandatory નથી બનાવેલો, just like house insurance or car insurance. I strongly believe it should be mandatory.
રાઈટ નાઉ મને બી એવું લાગે છે કે હોવું જોઈએ. કેમ નથી? એનો શું કારણ?
કારણ કે લોકોને અવેરનેસ બિલકુલ નથી આના વિશે.
રાઈટ.
લોકોને એવું જ લાગે છે કે એમને કંઈ ક્યારે થવાનું નથી. એ લોકો અમરત્વ લઈને આવે છે
યસ.
અને એમને એની નીડ ખબર પડી નથી.
રાઈટ.
So that is the reason people don't give that in a priority. So that's why through this business એ અમારું એક મિશન છે કે અમે એટલા બધા ફેમિલીઝને બારે એજ્યુકેટ કરીએ
યસ.
જેથી એમનું ફેમિલી પ્રોપરલી પ્રોટેક્ટેડ થાય.
રાઈટ. એ તો વાત એવી જ છે કે આપણને ફોન લઈએ છીએ કે કાર લઈએ છીએ, ઘર લઈએ છીએ, એની ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ એટલી બધી લાગે છે કે આપણે એના માટે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ લઈએ છીએ, પણ એવામાં આપણે એ ભૂલી જઈએ છીએ કે એઝ અ હ્યુમન આપણે બી એક ડિવાઇસ જ છીએ.
યસ.
એ ક્યારે બી બગડી શકે છે અને ક્યારે બંધ બી થઈ શકે છે.
યસ.
તો એ એટલું જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે કે આપણે એક લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ બી આપણા પોતા માટે બી લઈ લઈએ, જેનાથી બધા સેફ રહે.
Yes.
સો યુ આર ડુઈંગ અ ફેબ્યુલસ જોબ. અને આ તો આપણે થયું કે શું કામ લેવું જોઈએ. હવે કેટલી ટાઈપના હોય છે કે શું હોય છે, બીજી શું ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનિંગ કરવી જોઈએ આપણા કમ્યુનિટી માટે?
શ્યોર, ડેફિનેટલી. સો પહેલું તો ઇન્સ્યોરન્સની ખાલી વાત કરીએ તો ઇન્સ્યોરન્સમાં બી બહુ જ મલ્ટિપલ ટાઈપ્સની ઇન્સ્યોરન્સીસ હોય છે.
ઓકે.
Number one, term insurance. That's the cheapest to the best. So I think each and every family should have that. The term insurance is it's even cheaper than coffee a day. It's even cheaper than a car insurance.
શું વાત કરો છો?
Oh, 100%.
સો તમે કદાચ શેર કરી શકો કેટલું હોય છે, એટલે બંનેને જરાક આવી રીતે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ આપીએ.
It will go by the age and your health and your health. Right. If somebody, for example, let's say someone at age 35 gets $1 million coverage,
Okay.
I mean, around $50 a month. That's all. How much? Less than $2 a day.
Yeah, exactly.
If you go to the Starbucks to get a coffee, you will pay $4-5.
Exactly.
Right? But this $2 a day, if we can spend it, it will give a huge peace of mind to our family.
Right.
To us.
Right.
બીજી ટાઈપના ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ પરમિનન્ટ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ છે
Okay.
જે life insurance, normal people think it's about when we die our family use it. Not really. Life insurance is one of the biggest tax-free wealth generation tool out there. It's the biggest tax-free wealth generation strategy that wealthy people use it. If you use it in a strategic, methodic way,
Okay.
So there are some other plans that can build a cash value. That cash value, you can utilize it for any future expense or for any future purpose or for the retirement income. There are some insurances that has a guaranteed death benefit
Okay.
included in that.
Mm.
Other financial plannings that you asked me about, we should have proper investment strategies,
Yes.
tax saving strategies, kids education plan, retirement plans,
Yeah.
estate planning. We all to do the proper comprehensive planning, we need to cover all of this thing. And pathway, I would like to give one message here is financial planning is not about being rich, but it's about being ready. It's about being ready.
મને એક ક્વેશ્ચન એવો આવતો હતો આપણે જે વાત કરીએ ઇટ્સ નોટ અબાઉટ બિંગ રીચ તો ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનિંગ બટ ઓબ્વિયસલી જે લોકો પાસે પૈસો છે એ લોકો તો કરતા જ હોય છે અને જનરલી એમને ખ્યાલ બી હોય છે જેમ જેમ પૈસા બનતા જાય એમ તમને નોલેજ બી વધતું જાય તો તમને એ ખ્યાલ બી હોય કે ભાઈ આપણે ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનિંગ કરવું જોઈએ વોટ અબાઉટ ધ સ્ટાર્ટર્સ જે યંગ લોકો છે કે જેની હજી સેલેરી એટલી બધી નથી બટ જેમ તમે કીધું કે તમે જેમને ગાઈડ કર્યા તમારા મેન્ટર કે યુ નીડ ટુ ગ્રો યોર ફાઇનાન્સ એઝ વેલ તો એ લોકો માટે તમે શું કહેવા માંગશો
So first of all, I would like to tell you, તમે કહો છો કે financial planning is only for rich people. Not really. There's a big myth.
Okay.
Anybody and everybody can do that.
Right.
If somebody is even making $0 per an hour, they also can start something. At least they can learn. So when they get the money, they can put it in the right way,
Yes.
at the right place, in the right strategy. So if you're earning $50,000 a year, or if you're earning $100,000 a year, or if you're earning $1 million a year,
Yeah.
there are same strategies that can be utilized, but the amounts could be little different.
Exactly.
Whoever has more money, they're gonna put more money.
Yes.
Whoever has less money, they can put the less money. But here, main intention would be to start something. Don't keep waiting. Hey, when I become rich, then I will do that. No, that's not the right way to do that.
Yes. And this is kind of an investment plan, I guess, right? So, you keep on investing. So from that, I have a question. Why not invest in a trading share market or something like that? Stocks. And invest in this.
So, આપણા બાપ દાદાએ આપણે શીખવાડેલું હોય છે કે બેટા, don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
એવું શીખવાડેલું છે.
Yes.
So, same way, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટમાં ડાયવર્સિફિકેશન કરવું ઘણું જરૂરી હોય છે.
Okay.
Right? So if I have $100, if I am young, right? So I would keep some money, let's say $20 to $30 somewhere in a banks or saving account where I have easy liquidity of the money. Right? Next $20 to $30, $40, I would put it in a trading accounts
Okay.
where according to my risk appetite.
Exactly. Okay.
And rest of the money we should put it somewhere જેમાં માર્કેટનું બિલકુલ રિસ્ક ના હોય, where you can get a tax advantages. So what we teach the people is diversification. Diversification is a key. I will not tell you, hey, don't do the trading investment, stock market investment. No, do that. I personally do that.
Okay.
But you need to diversify. So we need to diversify investment, diversify taxes, and diversify risk. We need to do all of this, and that's what we train people. That's what we educate people about.
So that's exactly the financial planning. આને જ તો કહેવાય છે financial planning. એ લોકોને એ ખબર જ નથી. લોકો પાસે આજે $100 આવશે તો એ તરત ચાલો આજે હું $100 સ્ટોક લઈ લઉં. But it's not the way you do it.
That is correct. That's not the right way to do that.
Exactly. So that's why we need people like you.
Yes, and that's
Who can guide us.
Yeah, that's why we take this as a mission, that we want to educate a lot of families. Usually young લોકો આવું જ કરતા હોય કે if they have some extra money, they will try to do the investment. But just imagine part, right? let's say some unfortunate situation happen in a life of that same person. Do you think that small investment they have done, it can take care of their debts, their mortgages, their kids' education plan,
No.
their family's living expenses for next 10 years? Can it take care of that? It cannot. Proper financial house banao with a protection means insurance is a foundation of it and investment is a roof.
Yeah.
So foundation strong banao, both roofs.
ના આ જે વાત કરો છો ને તમે વિથ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ ત્યારે જ લોકો સમજશે કે એકચ્યુઅલી જરૂરી છે અને એવી કોઈ વાત છે કે જે તમે ઓડિયન્સને કહેવા માંગતા હો કે જેના પ્રમાણે તમે ગાઈડ કરવા માંગતા હો કે આવી રીતના તમે જશો અથવા તમારો કોન્ટેક્ટ એ કરશે તો તમે આ રીતના તમારી ચલો આ ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે થોડો રિવાઇઝ કરીએ કે બીજા કોઈ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનર પાસે નહીં તમારી પાસે કેવું હોય છે?
Good question. Yeah. The way we work is we are not like a traditional salespeople who just try to sell you anything. The way we work is we educate our clients to the point they understand.
Okay.
I know I have learned something from my mentor that Himanshu, nobody likes to get sold.
Exactly.
And but everybody likes to make a well-educated decision for their hard-earned money, for their hard-earned finance.
Right.
So what we do, we educate them to the point they understand. We help them to become a smart buyers. And if they like it, they're going to buy from us.
Right.
That's our strategy.
Yes.
That's the difference with us compared to the other financial planners.
Wow. That thought that September is called Life Insurance Awareness Month. Why is it that? And why is it so important?
It's a reminder for the families to take a pause and think about their financial planning, financial protection. Usually in September, what happens is people are coming back from summer vacations, kids are going back into the schools, colleges. The parents get some free time to think about their family's priorities. But I will say, best time to get proper protection was yesterday. Second best time is today. Time is now. Don't delay it, especially when you have dependents, when you have debts, when families depend on you. You need to give that a priority. Don't wait for the September. Just like Mother's Day comes in particular month, but every day should be Mother's Day.
Yeah.
The similar way, every day should be the life insurance awareness day.
Wow. तो वो कहते हैं ना कल करे सो आज करे सो अब.
Yes.
Exactly. Some people think that life insurance is costly. So what do you have to say about that?
Not really. Okay. That's another big myth. Life insurance is, as I said earlier, it's even cheaper than coffee a day.
Yes.
If you do it at right time and if you do the right planning for that.
Perfect.
It usually people overestimate 2 to 3 times, but it's even cheaper than your car insurance.
Wow.
This.
But our body is more costlier than the car.
Exactly. That's what
And
people
more
don't
important.
understand.
Yes. Who needs the life insurance the most?
Every living person who has family depend on them, who has debts, who has a mortgage, who has a young kids, who has some financial responsibility. Those all people need life insurance.
Correct.
Life insurance could have so many different purposes. Using the life insurance, you can do the kids' education plan as well. Using the life insurance, you can do the retirement plan as well. Using the life insurance, you can do the legacy transfer, estate planning as well. If somebody has a business partnership and all that, they also need a life insurance.
Yes. જનરલી જ્યારે આપણે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સની વાત કરતા હોઈએ તો બધા લોકો આવું તો હોય જ છે, પણ આ કેવી રીતના થાય? લાઈક હું ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ પે કરી રહ્યો છું, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સની કોઈ અમાઉન્ટ પે કરી રહ્યો છું, તો એનાથી મારા ચાઇલ્ડનું ફ્યુચર કેવી રીતના સેફ થશે? તો એના વિશે તમે થોડુંક વધારે ડિટેલમાં એક્સપ્લેન કરો તો ઓડિયન્સને બી સમજાય.
Sure, definitely. So let's say there's a couple.
યસ.
They have young kids.
યસ.
Right? If some unfortunate situation happens to that couple, what would happen to their young kid?
They won't be taken care of.
Exactly. But what if that couple or the parents had a proper protection, proper coverage?
Right.
At least their kids will get taken care of.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
They can go to good colleges too.
Yes.
That's one way. Another way. So I have two young kids. The way I use the life insurance contract for their college planning is I'm overfunding my life insurance plan, their life insurance plan. That money is growing without stock market risk.
Okay.
And that money is growing without tax. Well, it's a tax deferred.
Yes.
So when they come to the college, they can take out that cash value and pay for the college.
Right.
And using the same plan, they can use it for the retirement planning as well. So in this situation, I would tell college planning is not only about paying money for the colleges. It's about giving your kids a head start in that.
Right. Right. I would like to ask something that might be bold, right? Might કદાચ લોકોને ખોટું લાગી શકે, પણ જનરલી લોકોને એવું હોય છે કે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ એટલે કેવું કે મેં ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ લીધું, લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ લીધું કે XYZ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ લીધું, મને કશું થશે ત્યારે જ એને પૈસા મળવાના છે. But આજે તમે વાત કરી, the thing you told us that you are overfunding your insurance to pay so that your children can take out some money from that. How is that possible? એ કઈ રીતના થાય છે? કારણ કે લોકોને એ ખબર જ નથી કે આવું બધું બી છે, possibilities. There are varied possibilities.
Yes. So people think about life insurance is about when we die, our family gets the money.
Yeah.
If you think straight over there, it's not life insurance. It's a death insurance.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a death insurance.
Exactly.
But what are the real life insurance? You can utilize it when you're alive, when you don't have to die to use it. I mean, there are two ways. Number one, all the plans, all the good companies that we represent, they all come with a living benefits. Means if we come across, let's say, chronic illness is like a disability. There are 6 daily living of activities: bathing, dressing, toileting, continence, eating, and transferring.
Right.
If you cannot do 2 out of those 6, we are chronically ill. We can claim against our life insurance when we are alive.
Okay.
If we come across critical illness, means coma, severe burn, cancers, heart attacks, stroke, paralysis, any of this situation arise, we can claim against our life insurance when we are alive.
Yes. Yes.
Terminal illness, when doctor says this person not gonna live more than 24 months, some states it's 12 months, we can claim against our life insurance when we are alive, when we really need it, when our family really needs it. This also covered in a term insurances too.
Okay.
Right? So that is one way, using the living benefits. Good call.
Okay.
Second way is by building the cash value. In a life insurance contract, you can do overfunding.
Okay.
And it generates a growth out of that.
Okay.
That's how the wealthy people make the millions of dollars tax-free
Okay.
using it.
So how exactly do we get tax benefit from this?
There are some IRS codes involved along with a life insurance. One of the IRS code is 7702.
It's okay.
So because of the IRS code, what the money it's growing, it grow tax deferred, and when you use it as a loan out of that, you use it tax-free money.
So
You borrowing your own money.
so we can. Is it possible? How is it possible?
Oh, it's a possible. It's a very standard thing in this industry.
Okay.
That's why people are not aware of it. So this is the reason we educate them to the point they understand.
Wow. Wow. So how do you know how much coverage someone needs?
There are specific formulas to find out how much coverage we need. One formula is dime formula.
Okay.
So in that, we do assessment of how much debt they have, what's the income replacement. Over there, we put 10 times of that person's income. Then kids' education plan and how much mortgage is left over. By calculating all of this, you come up with a number. Usually, that number comes 10 to 12 times of your annual income. So if somebody is earning $100,000, they would at least will need more than $1 million of coverage.
Okay. So આ જે નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે ગુજરાતીમાં કે ઇંગ્લિશમાં બંનેમાં પૂછીશ તમને.
Sure.
એટલે જનરલી કેવું થતું હોય છે લોકો બીતા હોય છે કે અમે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ તો લીધું પણ ટાઈમ પણ નહીં આવ્યું તો. And so in English આપણે કદાચ એવું હોય, why do people get delayed in getting a life insurance? Like એ લોકો કેમ મોડું કરે છે પોતાની લાઈફની અંદર કે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ આજે લોકો કાલે દે. એનો તમે પણ જવાબ આપ્યો પર હવે જે મેં પ્રશ્ન પૂછ્યો એ ઘણીવાર લોકોને બીક હોય છે કે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ તો લઈ લીધું પણ એ ટાઈમ પર મળશે કે નહીં મળે, જ્યારે જરૂર હશે ત્યારે કામ આવશે કે નહીં આવે, એની બીક હોય છે. તો એના વિશે તમે શું કહેવા માંગો છો?
So nowadays, this industry has changed a lot. Even the day you do the application, right? Let's say your insurance approve nathi thayo.
Okay.
You do apply today, and it get approved after 1 month or 2 months.
Right.
If something happens between the time period, your family still get a coverage.
It's okay.
As long as you are giving a commitment to the company.
Right.
It is something called a temporary insurance agreement. So that you get it too.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So times have changed.
Time has
We don't need to worry about getting
at all.
that we might have to pay instead of getting insurance.
That's correct.
Right. Right. Exactly.
And nowadays, so many companies, they give you the instant results right away. As soon as you apply it, you get the results in 2 minutes. You get a coverage or not.
Would you like to recommend some companies?
We work with so many companies. We are not dependent on 1 or 2 companies. The companies I work with is AIG Corebridge, North American, Nationwide, Ethos, Banner Life.
Right.
There's so many companies we work with. And based on clients' requirement, we pick and choose the best solution out of it.
Okay. Okay. So, would you like to say that which one is the best for life insurance or term life insurance? Which company would be the best?
No, it is very hard to say that. But there are some companies that I particularly like. They give you coverage for up to 35 years. Very, very few companies do that, and we have access to them. For 35 years of coverage, and that I can give them guarantee that, hey, look, you're not gonna find a better rates than this company.
Right.
You can do your shop around. So all the companies that we represent, they're all very, very competitive.
Wow. Maybe it depends on from person to person.
Person to person, yes.
Exactly. According to their needs.
Yes.
And how does this help a business owner?
So in a business owner, let's say you and me are business partners.
Yes. Yes.
So there is something called buy-sell agreement.
Okay.
Using a life insurance, we can do the buy-sell agreement. Means if something happens to one of the partner,
okay.
And let's say the second partner don't want to work with that partner's wife who has died.
Yes. Yes.
So they can buy out their ownership using the life insurance.
Okay.
So that's one is buy-sell agreement. Another is key person insurance.
Okay.
Means so many companies, whoever are the key person, they offer them a special insurance.
Okay. Okay.
So there are a lot of ways the business owner can utilize it as well. Because when a lot of people most of the people, when they start the business, they have some debts, right?
Right.
What if that something happens? So who gonna get the debt? The family members.
Exactly.
So using that insurance, that family member can pay off the debts.
Right. Right. They, લોકોને ઘણી વાર શેર કરવું નહીં ગમતું હોય, પણ હું તો બી તમને પૂછીશ કે what are some insiders, જે ઇન્સાઇડર કોઈ એવી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન કે ઇન્સાઇડર એવી કોઈ વાત જેનાથી કદાચ લોકોને એમ થાય કે ના યાર લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ તો લેવું જ પડશે, એમ કે તમારી કંપનીની ઇન્સાઇડર એવી કોઈ વાત તમે કોઈ શેર કરવા પર ટર્મ્સ
એવું કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર વસ્તુ નથી, but when people realize, when they get educated about this,
યસ યસ
when we educate them, then we can show them a need, that you really have a need, and they will realize too, oh, yes, we have a need. We uncover the need basically by asking the right question to them.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી.
So એવું કંઈ હોતું નથી કે કંઈ insider information, but educating our clients is most important, and that's how they will realize, oh, how we need to think about it.
કદાચ તમને કોઈ અપ્રોચ કરવા માંગતા હોય તો એ કેવી રીતના અપ્રોચ કરી શકે છે?
So they can call me on my number.
આપણે આમાં ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપી દઈશું.
Yes,
અને બીજું કઈ રીતના અપ્રોચ કરી શકે છે?
they can reach out to me through my email address.
ઓકે.
Yes. So that means-
we can add in the description, right? And what about the કોઈ એવી લિંક કે જ્યાંથી તમને ડાયરેક્ટ વેબસાઇટ કે એવી રીતે અપ્રોચ કરી શકે?
yes, we can provide you that link as well, our direct website link.
And any special discount for people coming from this podcast and from Ambigramy?
એમાં the rates ને બધું અમારા હાથમાં નથી હોતું. What I can do specially is I can personally take time and educate that client.
Okay.
When we educate them, we don't charge them anything.
Right. Right. So
It's like a free education.
should our clients write referred from Ambigramy
Oh yes,
while writing a mail to you?
yes, definitely.
And if the client gets closed, what commission will you get?
In this industry,
Yes.
it's a very, very highly regulated industry,
Okay.
and commissions are not allowed to share if you're not licensed.
Okay. Okay.
So what I can do is I can trade you, and I can make you my partner, and you cannot commission.
I would love to, because till I know પોડકાસ્ટ જોઈએ તમને એવું લાગ્યું હશે કે મારે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ લેવું જ જોઈએ, તો ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ તમે જરૂરથી લેજો, એમ્બિગ્રામી થ્રુ લેજો, અને હિમાંશુભાઈ પાસે જ જજો, અને બીજા કોઈ પાસે જતા જ નહીં. જવાનું મન થાય તો બી ના જતા.
Thank you.
યસ. હિમાંશુભાઈ, છેલ્લો એક ક્વેશ્ચન, તમે શું ફાઇનલ મેસેજ દેવા માગશો આપણા ઓડિયન્સને ફોર ધ સાઇડ? યસ.
So my friends, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ એક એવી વસ્તુ છે જે આપણા ફેમિલી ફાઇનાન્શિયલ પ્લાનનું ફાઉન્ડેશન છે, એને લાઇટલી ના લેશો. They say every day that is added to our life is a day taken away from it.
Exactly.
In our life, we come across storms, hurricanes also comes in our life too. You never know what happened. So do proper financial planning, so your loved ones are properly protected.
Right.
You know, insurance is like an umbrella that most of the people, they think they don't need it until it start pouring down. And then they think, I should have bought the bigger one. That's
So true.
Yes. So, time is now. Do not procrastinate. Connect with us and we will definitely educate you and help you to make a smart decision for your hard-earned money, for your family's protection.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That brings us to the end of another episode of AmbiTalk presented by Ambigramy. A huge thanks to our guest Himanshu Patel for shedding light on why life insurance is really about protecting what matters most: our families, our dreams, and our future. If you found today's conversation helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired. This is AmbiTalk signing off.